How to install YouTube on PC. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you a guide in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video. So technically there is no separate YouTube application for Windows, but you can follow up these easy steps to access it. First of all, we can go over to Chrome or any other browser that you have and head over to youtube.com. After that, hit enter and sign in with your account, and you should be able to access your YouTube here, and that works perfectly and always updated. Or once you are in the browser of youtube.com, you can look out for the option called app, opening app, this one option, and click on it, and we can install the application. We can directly find the option for install and go ahead and install the application and install YouTube as a web application for that. And for now, let's head over to youtube.com, and within youtube.com, you can go to the three dots in the top right corner and select the option for more tools. And once you select more tools option, click on the option called create shortcut here, cast, save, and share. Also, we have this option for create shortcut. We can just go and click on that option and click on this option called create and open up a shortcut for YouTube as well. And that should do it. And that is it everybody. Usually these are the methods you can follow up to install YouTube on PC. Very quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.